Welcome. In front of me I have the AirPods of the first generation and the Android device that is the Huawei P40 Lite, and I'm going to show you how to hard reset the AirPods on the Android device. So the first thing is just to open the settings, click on the device connectivity, enter the Bluetooth and of course turn it on. And the second thing is just to grab the case, open it and just connect with your Android device. So now we have to wait a little bit until the Huawei find the AirPods, and here we are. So just click on it to pair, and as you can see we have to confirm it by clicking on the pair, and right now they are connecting and they are connected for the calls and media audio. So right now when you wanna just hard reset your AirPods, open the case, and on the back of the charging case there is the button that we have to press and hold until this light is blinking on the red color. So let's start it, click and hold, and right now click on the AirPods, and as you can see now we just cannot normally connect to them. We have to pair them again. So this is how the hard reset looks. So click on the pair, and right now they are connected again. And yeah, this is how the hard reset looks with Android device. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.